I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gun is completely unloaded. You must look and feel the chamber. Once cleared, remove the slide from the frame and set the recoil spring aside. Make sure to note spring orientation. Next, push the rear slide cover forward just enough to gain access. Use a small punch if needed. The goal now is to expose the sight plate retaining pin so you can begin removing it. Move deliberately and keep parts organized to avoid mix-ups. Once the slide's rear is open, locate the sight plate tab and depress it while aligning the punch with the retaining pin. This prevents spring tension from snapping parts. Make small, controlled taps to drive the pin out. Do not use forceful blows because the tiny pin will bend. After the pin clears, lift the sight plate straight up and rearward. Make sure the striker channel and sight bar clear without catching. If resistance remains, recheck the tab. Never pry aggressively. With the sight plate removed or replaced, align it carefully to the slide rails and seat the retaining pin using light taps. Once seated, peen the pins slightly to secure it, but don't over-burnish. Reinstall the recoil spring and return the slide to the frame. Perform a controlled function check. Rack the slide, check trigger reset, and dry fire in a safe direction to confirm everything cycles. If the pin refuses to move, apply a drop of penetrating oil. Wait several minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.